Hey, welcome guys. If you're doing an unboxing of the Logitech Zone Wireless Plus headset. So there's a regular Logitech Zone version, and this is the Plus version. The only difference as far as I know is that this one comes with the USB receiver, whereas the headset is identical to the regular version, but you can only use that to connect through Bluetooth. So it's a very simple looking package. I guess maybe Logitech is saving on packaging materials as well, because it looks like the instructions are in the box cover. Not a bad idea. I think it's a good idea. It's better on the environment, right? Why do we need all that useless paper? To be honest, I think manufacturers can even just get away with putting a URL address on the inside of the box and be like, hey, go to this website for full details and instructions. So here's the headset itself. Right at the front top of the box, no padding around it, even though it's a kind of a pricey unit, but let's see what we have. So that's the boom mic, and it swivels in both directions. I didn't know that. That's great. So you can have the ear pieces flex up and down, it seems. Just trying to figure that out. Oh, it happens. Okay. It's incredibly thin, the frame. It seems a little weak, but I'll need some time to use it for several weeks of testing. And the flex seems a little tight, but yeah. Again, I'll need to do more testing, wear it for several hours per day, really figure out is it comfortable or not. So, just trying to see what else we have in here. It's just this little USB receiver, the unifying receiver, stuck on the box. So again, this is the Plus version. This is the only difference. You just get a USB unifying receiver, which allows you to connect multiple Logitech devices to that one USB receiver, if they're compatible. They have to be unifying receiver compatible. And here is the charging cable, micro USB, not USB-C, so that's rather disappointing. You know, with USB-C being a standard nowadays, not a big deal, but that is a little bit disappointing. The traveling pouch is soft. It's not hard. Nothing else in here, but I'm disappointed that it's soft and not hard at this price tag. Oh well. So again, the link to the review will be in the video description. Be sure to hit that like button, it does help. Check out my social links in the video description as well, and thanks for watching.